Hello guys, good day. Today we are going to withdraw from our crypto mining account. And as you can see here, I'm already logged in to my account on CryptoMiningFarm. And you can see that I have 509,181 total hash power or GHS. And here I have a balance of 0.09753,780 BTC. And what we are going to do here is we are going to withdraw this one. All right. So we just have to proceed. Okay. I'm going to withdraw it. Withdraw. And it says here that I have to type in the Bitcoin wallet. Okay, so this is the amount that we are going to draw, and I have to type in the Bitcoin wallet. I want the Bitcoin to be transferred. All right, there you go. Okay, we have the amount and we have the Bitcoin address, and we are good to go. Okay, we are going to confirm it. Confirm, and it asks for a security questions. We just have to answer this one. Alright, I'm so sorry for this one because it may take a long time. Okay, and this is the amount that we are going to withdraw, and we have to type in our Bitcoin wallet address, and there you go. I have to confirm it. Confirm. Alright, so it's verifying. It says here, please click withdrawal confirmation link from your email. So let's go ahead and check our email. Okay, this is my email. Okay, so this is the CryptoMiningFarm withdrawal confirmation. Alright, it says here, click to confirm your withdrawal. So this is the amount we have withdrawn, and this is the Bitcoin address wallet that is going to be transferred. And we have to click here for the confirmation. And if you want to cancel, there is also a cancel link if for example you change your mind withdrawing the amount. And it says here, withdraw, your requests have been confirmed. Expect to receive your Bitcoin within 24 hours. Sometimes it will not take 24 hours for the Bitcoin to arrive in your Bitcoin wallet. Sometimes it will take earlier than that. Sometimes 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It depends. Okay, so let us see in our email if the withdrawal that we have just requested is successful. And there you go. Let's check in our email, and chanan. Alright, so it is successful. So CryptoMining.farm Bitcoin Cloud Mining, you have requested a withdrawal of 0.09798588 BTC to this address, Bitcoin wallet, withdraw ID and account ID, all balance, and then balance left, there's none. Best regards, CryptoMiningFarm team. So this means that the withdrawal that we have just requested is successful. It went through. Okay, so we have to confirm it, and I will let you see my account for all the and later I am going to let you know all the withdrawals that I have made. Okay, so let us check in our balance if there's none. So we have to wait for more time. Okay, because I think the withdrawal that we have requested already went through. The system is already sending the BTC in my Bitcoin wallet. So this is my Bitcoin wallet. Right, it is from coins.ph. It is from coins.ph, and later here you can see that there is a pending Bitcoin that is receiving that is receiving on my Bitcoin wallet. So there you go. I'm going to show you all the withdrawals that I have made. So this one we just made it today. Okay, this is the amount that we have requested, and last time I have withdrawn 0.11 BTC, and then this also 0.01. On April 7 I have made 0.0, I have withdrawn 0.09, April 6 0.06, April 5 0.07, April 3 0.05 BTC, April 2 0.05 BTC, April 1 0.07 BTC, and all the withdrawals you can see it here since the time that I have joined them. Okay, so there are a lot. I have a total of 4 BTC withdrawal from this company. Okay, so when is our first withdrawal? So there's no date here, and then you can see here 2017. So April 25, 2017. But in the program I have joined them, I think last October 8, 2016. So since October, this program is paying me up until now. So I am over 1 year. I am 1 year last October 8, 2017. So October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May. Okay, so April. Okay, so I am being paid by CryptoMiningFarm for 1 year and 6 months already. Okay, so I hope it will stay longer, like 5 years. Okay, there you go. As you can see, we are now receiving 0.09, which we have just requested from CryptoMiningFarm. And let's check the transactions. So there you go. Okay, we have withdrawn 671 in this day alone. So 671. So I'm making like 600, like so as you can see, these are the money that I received. All right, so there you go. Okay, so we are earning 500,000. Let's check how much we are earning per day. So we have 509,181. Okay, let's calculate. We have 509,181, and we are earning 0 per day. Okay, and let's calculate how much that in dollars. Okay, and let's paste it. So this is I am earning per day. I'm earning 0.67 or $460 a day. So this is I am earning. Okay, $460 per day. All right. So if you have friends, you can tell them about crypto mining farm. They are already I think they are already 3 years in the industry, and they are not. I'm receive. I'm have. I'm getting my payments regularly. Okay, so that's it, guys, and I hope you enjoy watching my video. And till the next withdrawal, I'm going to record for my next withdrawal. So see you next time. Goodbye, and God bless everyone. Thank you.